Hi everyone, it's a rainy day and today I'm going to see my grandma. After that, we are going to visit another relative with my grandma. Now we are going to prepare them a meal. Now I'm going to marinate fish and chicken. This is fish. I'm adding salt, pepper powder and corn flour. This is chicken. I'm adding chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger powder, salt, soy sauce and lemon juice. Now it's time to fry chicken. This is coconut oil. This is coconut oil, ginger and garlic paste, onion. Now I'm adding a cinnamon stick, pandan leaf and curry leaves. Now I'm adding green chilies. This is capsicum. Now I'm adding chili flakes, pepper powder, salt, sugar, soy sauce and tomato sauce. Now I'm adding tomatoes. Water. coconut oil, onion, garlic, eggs, salt, pepper. Fish. This is olive oil. Cabbage. Now I'm adding carrot. This is leeks. Boiled rice. Now I'm adding soy sauce and oyster sauce. Now I'm at my grandmother's house. This is where my father spent his childhood. Now we are going to leave to our relative's house. Now we have arrived to our relative's house. We came here after a long time. We last came here 8 months ago for Christmas. Now we are going to enjoy our meal. This grandma is the youngest sister of my father's father. She lives here with her daughter and family. Now we have come to the end of today's video. Hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.